Hari Om friends, today I talk about Saturn, the most malefic planet and the planet that troubles everybody. It's all negative. You can call it the servant in astrology. It's the planet related to one's profession. What you will do in this world. Who will you work under? Will you work properly or not? And it plays a significant role because it is directly linked to our employment, our source of income, and hence our life. In this material world, the more successful materially we are, the more we earn, the more people get attracted to us, and hence the more successful we think that we are, but actually you are not. So for the people living in this world, that is 90% of us, Saturn is a very critical planet. And there's $1 million industry there about remedies for Saturn debilitated and retrograde, and this and that. And most of the times this Sadasati thing, and most of the times I just tell people to take it simple. Just go in the Lagna chart and see what Saturn is doing. Try to do the remedies there. Reduce your stress. Saturn will give you stress wherever, however it is placed. It will give you stress. You cannot escape from it. But how you will deal with the stress depends on the placement of your Saturn. Now Saturn can be exalted in your Lord house. In its Lord house, it can be friendly, neutral, retrograde, or debilitated. Except exalted and in its Lord house, all the other Saturns are not good for you. They'll give you a lot of stress. Now let me tell you, Saturn gets exalted in Libra, yes, and Saturn gets debilitated in Aries. The Lord houses for Saturn are Capricorn and Aquarius. Exalted Saturn, oh my God, you will flourish in your career. Name, fame, wealth, power, everything will be at your feet. You'll make lots of money, and you will be like a super industrialist CEO. You will do it with your hard work. You will have prestige, as I said. And the same is the case for Saturn in its Lord house also. It makes one do very well in their career. Even now, if there is a recession, suppose, you will be employed and well employed, gainfully employed. You will not work below your qualification level. In fact, you will work above it. It's such a, it can help you in this way, but stress is there. Stress will be your companion. Now that depends on the other planets. But a Saturn, that is all the other forms of Saturn, especially the debilitated Saturn, they finish you off. They give you so much stress. First of all, you become your own enemy. Your mind stops working. The thinking gets clouded. And then what do? You come in the company of wrong people, start fighting at work, start fighting in your house, start doing legal cases, your money gets blown up, your family life gets blown up, and literally you land on the streets. This is what Saturn, ill-placed, that is debilitated, retrograde, neutral, even friendly, it can do to you. It will not give you the clarity of thought when you are under stress. It will give you the same stress. You won't be able to deal with it. So Saturn, because Saturn by its inherent nature is a negative planet. Sun, if you have excellently placed Sun in your chart, then you will be able to deal with your Saturn very well. Because Sun can, Sun overpowers Saturn, but that depends on your chart. Like for kings, we had kings here, right? Even we have kings right now in UK and other countries. They don't need an excellent Saturn. They don't have to go out and work. They need an excellent Sun, exalted Sun. They're kings. And Mars, they don't have to work. So it's just for people who have to work. That's why I said 90% of us. So it's a critical planet from that point of view, and most of the queries I get of people who are in distress is because of Saturn. If I get a question like, when will I become manager? I know his Saturn or her Saturn is troubling them. And then when I see the chart, my doubt is confirmed, and then I tell them, listen, either you marry somebody who has a good Saturn if they are not married, or show me your spouse's chart and I can tell you, because these are the ways by which you can soften the blow, if I may say so. Or I tell them, do the remedies. Now the remedies for Saturn are very effective. The spiritual remedy is very, very effective. Shani temple on a Saturday, pour some mustard oil and some coins. If during the COVID period you cannot go, Hanuman Chalisa as many times as you want during the day. Please by heart it. Lord Hanuman is the one who Lord Shani is scared of. Hanuman Chalisa is a definite good thing. Still, if some people don't get time to do all this, despite it being very simple, Hanuman Chalisa, but still they don't know it, they don't by heart it. Now the gem for Saturn is blue sapphire or neelam. Now this is a very extreme stone, so there are procedures for wearing it, because if it suits you, it can, like I had a case, I had a person who contacted me in distress. He was a highly educated teacher and he had just lost his job. And I saw his chart, his Saturn was debilitated. And the Dasha was, it was just at the fag end of his Saturn Dasha. And I just told him, see, I saw it was a perfect case for wearing the neelam. I said, you try this neelam and it's a 1 month trial period and see if it works for you. Within a week, he emailed me and he said he had got the job for principal in another school. So, and he said after wearing the neelam. So this is what it can do, so if it suits you, it can take your career back to the skies. Otherwise, it will sink you. So please, if you are wearing neelam, people ask me about astrological gemstones. I tell them, please wear it with under astrological advice, take them seriously. And the other thing is, there is no need to fear Saturn. There is a lot of fear psychosis related to Saturn. Yes, it gives you stress. Saturn gives stress to everybody. It gives stress even to me, because I also have Saturn in my chart. You have to deal with it. Now, to a great extent, it depends on the position of Saturn in your chart, but there are other things by which you can reduce your stress in the chart and in your daily life also, by which you can, you go ahead in your professional life. Astrologically, everything I talk about is astrological and spiritual remedies. So I do not talk about the management way, because the focus here is astrological and spiritual remedies. There are many remedies by which you can, simple remedies, not complicated ones, by which you can make the malefic benefit of Saturn just cushion or soften the blow. Saturn will give you blow. It will be like a headmaster. The feeling is, I read somewhere and I agree with it. It's like a headmaster sitting on your head all the time and seeing what you are doing. That is the way Saturn, especially in your Saturn Mahadasha, 19 years, you feel that. Now, if you will be able to pass the test or fail depends on the positioning of your Saturn. So, friends, if you have any question, please let me know. And please give your feedback here on YouTube. You can email me also, but I would appreciate if you give me the feedback here. And also, please support me in this YouTube channel venture of mine. Hari Om, and God bless you all.